So this is the 2021 Bronco Badlands edition, and today we're over here at Bad Dog Mods, our modification shop. We're going to be putting an exhaust system on this full-size Bronco 2.7 twin turbo V6. We'll check it out, the install, and at the end we'll listen to how it sounds. The team from MBRP have brought us a whole wide selection of different exhausts we're going to try on this 2021 Bronco. We're going to do a turn down pipe. We're going to try different sound levels. All of these are single in these pre-production prototypes. So there we go. In about two minutes we got the muffler and the pipe. There's two pieces to the factory exhaust system and out they come.
Today we're here with the Blackstock Bronco 2.7 liter. We are here determining which muffler we're going to go with. We've brought four options. Anywhere from a 5-inch straight through perf up to 6-inch louver or 6-inch perf mufflers available. Today we're going to try each and every one here and see which one we like best. Be sure to listen and put your comments below. So MBRP decided to go with a 3-inch catback system on the Bronco because of all our experience with the Ford Ranger and the 2.3 liter that was offered in that. I personally drove the Ranger 2.3 for 6 to 8 months and absolutely loved it with a 3-inch and a perf muffler on it. And the combination of what Ford has done with the 2.3 or the 2.7 would work perfectly with the 3-inch setup that we're offering here.
Nice.
Left out, loosen that up.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back. So let's, all we want to do here, let's go back the road that we came in on.
Yep.
And then we'll pretty much just find us UE and come back that same road.
This is 5235 with the race 3-inch perf muffler in.
So we just finished our first test with the 3-inch perf muffler. We are happy with the outcome of it. It is very much a race system. At throttle, when you step on it, it comes alive. It's exactly what you'd want. But when you're cruising down the road, just 60, 70 kilometers an hour, it is very mild inside. We're now going to switch over to go to a 2 3/4-inch perf core with a 6-inch body, same 3-inch piping all the way through, and see how that sounds. Again, be sure to comment below on your choice. It's like that's actually a black roof.
Yeah.
The
It's like a
graphite.
yeah. So the system 5235 with the 6-inch body, 2 3/4 perf.
But think back to like the F-150, we're running a muffler delete, yet to me it doesn't sound crazy loud inside, but yet on the outside I know it is.
Yeah.
And I think that Ford has done very well at insulating as of recent. So we just got back from our second test with the 6-inch body and 2 3/4-inch perf core. It sounded great. Again, it was a little less raspy than the first one, very smooth and very much something that is good for daily driving. Now we're moving forward with a 6-inch body and a louvered packed core. This will again give us a little bit different sound, but we'll keep the flow up. Stay tuned. So test number 3 was cut short. The louver design created a bit of a flutter sound to it, which is something we definitely try to stay away from. We're not going to take this one out for a test drive. It's not pleasant to the ear at this point, and we're just going to move on to test number 4 and see how that comes.
We didn't.
Just hold the shifts and it should downshift for you.
The sport there? Yeah, sure I will, Harrison.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't, because we didn't have it on the last 2. I want them all to be flat. One thing I want to do is put sport on and say, oh, this is the best one, and realize it might not be. Just came back from our 4th and final sound test. This louvered muffler has been rotated to flow over the louvers, again creating a higher flow for this 2.7 liter twin turbo Ecoboost. We have 2 choices that we're going to kind of contemplate with and ultimately take some of your input from. So please stay tuned below, give your feedback, and look forward to hearing which one you liked. So MBRP is a fully compliant company. We aim to provide great sounding exhaust systems for those performance-minded individuals that want to get the most out of their vehicle. MBRP offers everything from aluminized stainless steel, T409 stainless steel, T304 stainless steel, as well as black-coated options for many of our different fitments. Today, we're so fortunate to work with Blackstock Ford and get to test out this brand new 2.7 liter Ecoboost Bronco.
So there you have it. The 2021 Bronco. We did some test fit exhaust systems, and thanks to the team at MBRP Exhaust. Those guys work hard. They make great systems, and we love selling their product. And who doesn't want a little bit more bark in their ride? So I want to thank those guys. Look forward, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let us know down below what exhaust system you'd like to see, and when we have the final system built, stainless steel, MBRP will send us one out. Should be just in time for the rest of our build on the 2021 Bronco. Look forward to it. Once again, I'm Jim Carson from Blackstock Ford, here today at our mod shop at Bad Dog Mods in Orangeville Quick Lane. I want to thank you for watching.
So